Yeah, hi friends, it's me Manish Dubey. So, on last lecture, we have seen about the cloud basics, what is the cloud computing, and what is the benefit of cloud computing, and types of cloud, and cloud computing models. All we have, you know, gone through, and today we will start the new things, but before starting the new things, we will recall all the previous concept, like what is cloud computing. The cloud computing is the on demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay as you go pricing. Like what you have used, you will pay only for that, instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers. You can access technology services such as compute services, storage services, network services, and servers, database. Okay, on an as needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure. Okay, so if we talk about the type benefit of the clouds, so there are several benefits like agility, elasticity, pay per use. Okay, so in last lecture we have discussed all the things. We come to the types of cloud. So there are three types of cloud. First one is public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. In hybrid cloud, you can combination of both public and private cloud. So if we talk about the public cloud, so like the resources and services provided by the third party service provider like Amazon. Okay, web services, that service provider will give you the access of resources and services over the internet. If you are a customer, you want to, you know, start uh, your startup, so you have to contact to service provider for deploying the resources. You get the services what you need. So over the internet they will provide you the all the services. So it's example of public cloud. If we talk about the private cloud, so here resources and services are managed by you, like your organization. Okay, or you can also choose like take a third party users. You can choose also the Amazon web services for it. They can also provide the private cloud, and so but that is the private cloud. And next one is hybrid cloud. It is the combination of both public and private cloud. The decision to run the services on the public or private depends on the parameters. Okay, like mm, you are running a startup in which uh, there are web application. So it's need to be accessed through the internet by the users. Okay, so you will deploy that web services in the public subnet. Okay, so that easily accessible via the internet. But if you want to deploy some databases, uh, you have some sensitive data, and as per your sensitivity of the data, you will deploy it only in private cloud. So you don't want to be a public access of your database, so you will choose private subnets. So in that case, uh, as per your application demand and your required standards, you will choose the types of cloud. Now come to the cloud computing models. We have earlier discussed about this model, like there are three models. First one is infrastructure as a services, and second one is the platform as a services, third one is a software as a services. So in earlier lecture we uh, like we discuss about the uh, mm, like flats. You are going to the purchase a flat, so we are giving an example like flat. So there are three type of flats. There are three type of options while purchasing your flats. First one is raw flat, second one is semi furnished, third one is fully furnished. So in that case, in raw flats you will only get the infrastructure. Okay, like there are rooms, kitchen, all the things. But in if you are going to the purchase a semi furnished flat, you will get the wooden work and all the things, uh, and it will be cost more than the raw flat. Third example is fully furnished. In that case you will get all the resources there. You just take your bag and shift there, so no need to be worry about your you know mm, about your mm, about uh, anything, like you don't want to be purchase a bed, you don't want to be purchase a TV, fridge, all are uh, given by the builder in that case. So if we come to the cloud model, so in infrastructure as a services, the service provider will provide you the server, network and storage. In that case only infrastructure he will provide. In second case, platform as a services, you will get OS and application stack with server, network and storage. With infrastructure, you will get extra benefit like OS and application stack. So you want to like OS, Windows server, Linux flavor. You want to Ubuntu, and you want to deploy some application on Rail. So you will provide all the things in a platform as services. If we come to the software as a services, mm, you will get all the things. You no need to be um, you no need to be worry about any things, like you will just uh, give the demand for the service provider. He will provide all the things like package software, operating system and application stack, including server, network and storage. So all will provide in software as a services. So now we come to the what is the market size of cloud computing. So it's basically some business things. So we will discuss the market size, okay, today. So in globally, the cloud computing market size was valued at 545.8 billion dollar in 2022, and it is projected to reach 1,240.9 billion by the end of 2027. It's a very good opportunity in the market. Okay, and there are some company involved in cloud computing, um, as a cloud computing service provider. So if we talk about the market share of this company, like Amazon Web Services, that is the big player in the cloud computing, and he capture 32% of market share. And if we come to the Microsoft Azure, it's 18%. Okay, and Google is 6%, and other clouds like Alibaba, IBM, many clouds are available in the market. So remaining market share was captured by that service provider. Okay, so this is the business part. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss more on that. Okay, thank you for that.